steam it for deleter, and then it goes through a hammer mill, which people are surprised by the fact that it punches up the stone as well. You know, we don't pull the flesh off the stone, a whole lot goes into these things, and so you create which is all the flesh of the olive as well as the crushed up stone pips, whatever you want to call them. And so they go into this machine, which is automatic. And my way of describing it, I remember once going to a bread paper and that makes the dough, this kind of metal arms. Well, it's sort of a bit like here. It mixes up the period of time, and you can gradually see the oil beginning to smooth on the surface of the small three, and then we pass through them into the centrifuge. Okay, so looking at here, well, it's quite a match with that oil glow across it. It looks beautiful, and it goes slow. Now, you basically understand how to extract the oil when you put it like this, just past I think it might be called centrifugal form. I think the word here. But in the centrifuge, you know, there's a process that separates the oil. The oil comes out. You get the second line, you get the setting wrong, you get the as well, but over the years, you'll perfect that pretty